Hello everyone, you are welcome on your Superflow. So today we will see uh, vtext directive. Okay, so this is vtext directive, and we'll see examples for this. Before that, we need to understand text content. So I have a video on text content. I will provide URL for that in description. You can watch. Also, we need to understand text interpolation, so you can watch as well. Vtext works by setting the element's text content property. Okay, so this is text content property. This is text content property. So so it will overwrite any existing content inside the element. If you need to update only part of the text content, you should be using this interpolation, and this is the way interpolation can work. This is how we write vtext message. So I am going to explain this here. Replace an element's text content with a reactive value, that is vtext. Core syntax is vtext equal to message. Change the inputs was the template. So if I use welcome, you will see welcome to the Vue directive tab. If I say hello, you will see this is hello, and this is using vtext equal to rendered message, and rendered message is completed property. So here we'll see this is rendered message, and then this is being used here. Here, okay, this is inside p tag. This is being used vtext equal to rendered message. So whatever rendered message will be, that will be shown, and it is message.value.trim. By default, message is default message, and default message is Vue keeps this text in sync with your state. Okay, and here this is use welcome message when we are doing, then it is welcome to the Vue directive tab. Okay, vtext replaces all existing content inside the element. Interpolation is usually more flexible for partial text. You can keep in mind interviewer might ask, and then this is how we write vtext. So we seen right how we are going to write vtext directive. So thanks for watching. Stay connected to Iras Overflow.